In this exercise, we have a southern country rock. We have a different position of chords. This is a A chord with C sharp on the bass, and we take in this way. So the C sharp is on the 11th fret on the first string. We have E on the third string, 9th fret, and A second string, 10th fret, and the E first string, 12th fret. Then we have the second chord is E and B on the bass. Then we move backward one tune, so we have the G with the B and the D with the A. And then we move backward again one tune. We can go up and down, so. We close with a C on the 8 and D on 10. Try again.